How to change the payment currency on Binance. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to change the payment currency on Binance in easy and fast way. So first thing we do, we go to Binance app, and as you can see, this is the home page. Now let's go to the top corner here on the profile icon, and then go to settings, and after that choose payment currency, and here you go, you can choose what currency for payment you want. There is many choices. Okay, let's just choose this one, and it will be automatically updated. And that's it for today's video guys. If this video was helpful for you, please don't forget to like and subscribe.